I made a thing where if like a slime or any other creature goes on any of these pressure plates, then it spawns something random. There, like the slime just jumped on that and it spawned a panda. So, we're gonna teleport all the entities here to see how many mobs are spawned. I know, lots of things died here. Yeah, there's a witch. Fish. Not enough things are jumping on that though. We need more dispensers dispensing random mobs. Okay, back in your little pen thing. With cakes. Oh, there's a cat! Now, probably a lot of mobs are gonna be spawned now. I hope. Let's get a random mob. Make it make more mobs. So the second dispenser is done. Now for the third one we need different mobs. Mobs here. Just getting them randomly. For this one. Oh yeah, because I think I got 2 skeletons. Well, that just means extra skeletons. I know. Let's do these. And also some other mobs. Oh yeah, cat. Another skeleton. And another villager. Wait, 2 more villagers. Oops. I mean, yeah, that. Well, let's make another one then. we can have more. Okay, this one just makes villagers then. And also eggs. Can it fire eggs? I think it can. Okay. Now let's get them all here. Oh yeah, it created one of my mobs. They keep making more and more mobs. Panda! All those zombies are chasing villagers. Oh, stray. How many left are there? There's still a lot left. So I'm gonna walk over it too. Uh-oh, this is a lot of mobs. Oh, a phantom! 2 phantoms. A cat and a hoglin. What's that? Oh, a skeleton horse. I didn't know I had a skeleton horse. Oh, another baby one of those. Another one. That one fired an egg. Who's the one with... Oh yeah, this one. Let's do this one then. That one's just a normal piglin. Oh, look at the panda. Let's give it some cake. Panda deserves cake. Ooh. Wait, it actually eats the cake? I didn't know they actually ate cake. I was just doing it for a joke, but... Skeleton. Oh, an angry wolf. Now one of you. Okay, let's get them all back in their pen. Yeah, here's all of them. All the entities. Oh, the dolphins are probably dying, so... I should get them some water. Oh no, I blocked this off. I might escape. What just blew up? Was it the creeper? I think the creeper tried to escape. I'm gonna spawn 1,000,000 llamas in the cage. Wait, they're fighting each other. Oh no, they're fighting. Wait, another creeper blew up. There's XP everywhere. Actually, there's not that much. Oh no, they're blowing up the cakes. Or maybe they're just eating them. Let's just say they're eating. Oh no, they can escape. They can escape. They can escape. Wait, can they? Maybe. I'm just gonna block this off though. I don't want them to escape. Yeah, if I were like a spider, spiders and stuff could escape from that. Look at my inventory. Why are there so many spiders? Oh no. Creepers keep blowing up. Isn't iron gold? That iron gold died very quickly. Wait. My inventory is completely full now. You two, yeah, you can be together. Oh no, there's a ghast now. 3 ghasts. I'm gonna escape quickly. I'm gonna open it up a bit and give them a few seconds to escape. Oh. Okay, time's up. You can't escape now. Let's just kill this guy. Yeah, that's what you get if you escape. You get death if you escape. That's a good idea. 1,000,000 wolves. And also have 1,000,000. Where is it? Here, skeletons. Oh. wolves. Come on. I've got some skeletons for you. Oh, it's a shulker. But you can't fight out there. You have to fight in here. Now they're all fighting each other again. Oh no. Oh phew, there's no escape. This creeper's blowing up everywhere. Maybe just keep them in here. Oh no, the shulkers are still out here. Because the shulkers can teleport, which is annoying. But I'm gonna make of this. Oh, they're fighting again. I like it when they fight because it means they're gonna die. Why is my caps lock on? We need to make sure they can't escape. Let's also make this bedrock. Okay, now it should be really hard to escape. Even if there's creepers everywhere. Come on, blow up creepers. Why aren't you blowing up? Here, go on top of the shulker. I need 2 can- Free! Managed free. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't think any more will be able to stay on. What's a cat and a dog? And a zombie. Thing. Villager. Yeah, zombie villager. Come on, blow up. I'm gonna have to blow things up for you. Oh no! Can they escape through here? Oh yes they can. I think. Bedrock. I don't know where my bedrock is. Let's just use this for now. Come on, come on. Any more things, bro? Oh no, the keeper escaped. Oh no, they're escaping. They're escaping. Block it all off. He went back in, yay! Off. There. We've blocked it all off. Now sorry I don't like shulkers because they keep teleporting and getting out of things. See? I'm gonna blow this creeper up. Show the creeper what he does to us. Okay, that didn't even kill him. Oh no, they can escape, Phew. Okay, let's bring them all back into here. That's a lot of XP. I mean, what's all this stuff? Something disgusting, looks like. Let's kill this guy. Oh no. Is there any way they can escape? I see light. I see light. Block it off. Block it off. Block it off. Can't let them escape. Yeah, this party is going great. Everybody's having an amazing time. if I could teleport myself to then, please. That would be weird because, like, which one would I teleport to? Maybe it would just be a random one that I'd teleport to. Let's make this more secure so they can't escape. That's more secure. Let's go see this village over here. See how it's going. Oh, this is cool. And the pig just escaped from the pen. So, not very secure. Oh, these two villagers are sleeping. Well, it's morning. Let's wake them up. I hope they enjoyed my alarm clock. Time to wake up. Let's get an alarm clock to wake up the entire village. Alarm. These are like ones. Do you think the village has woken up yet? I'm not sure whether the village has woken up yet. Oh. This villager only got a very quiet alarm clock. Let's help him. Wake up, villager. I think he woke up. Any of the other villagers woken up yet? I think most of them have. Oh, look at this villager. His alarm clock hasn't gone off yet. Wake up, villagers. Let's wake this villager up as well. Good morning, villagers. Okay, goodbye.